Monday. Nandito kami lang kasi may ganap sila Manay. It's 8:29. Nakaalis sila Manay mga kanina-kanina pa. I need coffee. Alam niyo naman, I need coffee. So, let's figure this out. Ginamit namin to ni Manay kahapon. And hindi siya friendly. Hindi siya friendly. Ito yung coffee machine nila. Try natin. I know we need water here. May water na. Milk. Let's not forget in this milk na love in the fridge. Ilabas na niya to. Sabi ko kasi, pabili ako kay Dan ng kape sa labas. Kasi nga kahapon we were having a hard time getting it working. So, sabi niya, hindi, ito. So, nilabas niya to. Ang dami naming na-waste na coffee pods kahapon just to make one coffee. One sugar, babe? And update sa inyo, you guys are fine. As in, kung hindi nyo napanood yung vlog kagabi, nakwento ko na yung gimbal, like gumaganon-ganon talaga kayo. As in, like, nginig. Hindi lang like, nag-rotate lang, hindi. As in, nag-vibrate talaga na para talagang nag-seizure. Alright, so we got the sugar. Did I put it in? Not yet. Alright. Okay. Ayan na. Cappuccino. There you go. It's working. Cappuccino ko na lang din yung akin. Kahapon kasi nilatte namin ni Manay and nataranta siya ng very, very light. Alright. Coffee. Coffee. Thank you. That's it. Can we add one more for 2 shots? Dali lang naman pala. Oh, it smells good, but perfect. Ay, that's done, boys. Kailangan kong gumamit ng 2 ganito kasi yung first, ang konti lang. Here's your coffee, my love. Alright, now mine. Dito kami na na-stuck kahapon sa akin. I'll just do cappuccino as well. Thank you, Lord. Smells good. Mm-hmm. School. Watch out. Oh, anda. Uy. Hmm? She went to school. She's got school today. It's Monday. Oh, I need to text your school that you're not coming today. Let me do that, okay? Hmm? Oh, they went to school too. I did that.
Where's
Tito Jan and Tita Manay went to school too. They will be back. We will wait for them. Akala ko aalis na kami, hindi na namin sila mahihintay. Pero si Dan at saka si Jan nag-usap kanina, sabi niya, alis kami ng ganitong oras. Sabi ni Jan, yan, nakabalik na kami niyan. So, baka hintayin namin sila, guys. May ganap lang sa school kasi ng mga bata. So, nandun sila. I'm trying to edit a video. Nag-edit ako ng thumbnail kanina, tapos in-upload ko na. Ang bagal ng internet ni Manay dito, so hindi to matatapos. But nakagawa ako ng thumbnail. So, try ko mag-edit, pero we'll see. Hindi ko naman pipilitin. What do you want? Do you want Coco Puffs? Yeah? Okay. You sit here. I'll get you Coco Puffs.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
is that in year 7?
Mm-hmm.
Is it in year 7 now?
Yeah. Yes. I'll put milk in it, okay?
What year is Tisha in?
9. I'll put milk, okay?
Where's Daddy?
In the shower.
And watch little pictures.
Yeah. Here you go,
Do you
beautiful.
wake up first?
Yeah. Me and Daddy woke up first. Yeah, maaga kami nagising kasi nasa alarm na namin, guys, na Monday, maaga. Maaga nag-a-alarm yung phone. Kasi pasok ng mga bata, diba? Pero absent na naman. Oh no.
What?
My package from YesStyle is coming today.
Why is it coming today?
It's coming.
Did you come to my Gambia?
Yeah.
And you go to the
Yeah, go. No, it's not coming to Mount Gambier, sorry. Our house. Kapag YesStyle kasi, hindi nila iniiwan sa labas. Nagli-leave sila ng card kung walang tao, and then we have to pick it up sa kung saang post office nila idadrop. So, hindi guaranteed na idadrop nila sa post office namin, kung saan kami merong PO box. So, it depends. So, minsan, sa ibang, post office, it's alright. It's not a biggie. Not a biggie. So, okay na yung thumbnail. Dalawang thumbnail. Nakaka-edit ba ako? Try natin. Ay, nung naghihingalo talaga kayo kagabi, as in, inisip ko, my gosh, kailan ako makakapunta ng shop para asikasuhin kayo, nakakaloka. Pero it's all good. It's all good in the hood.
Mommy, which one are you deleting?
I'm just deleting the unnecessary stuff that I have on my phone. Oh, look at you guys. You beautiful.
So not the real stuff.
No, not the real stuff. Of course not. No way.
Is that real?
How was your sleep? Good. It's good.
Mommy,
So,
isn't
natulog
that
kami.
afternoon?
No, it's morning. Natulog kami alas 12 and nagising alas 9. Very good. Tapos matutulog pa to sa car mamaya. Biyahe pa uwi.
Mommy, when Holly comes back, is Holly gonna come back?
I'm not sure actually.
Or is she gonna go to the office
Mm.
to have a short time of school?
Yeah, I think she will have a short time today, yeah. I think you're right, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
There's more under the table, please. Like that. This one, Alo. Watch your head, please. Watch your head. Come on, clean up. And Alo, can you get that hair tie? There. I'll show you there. See? Thank you. Any more rubbish? Okay. Yes, what? What do you want? Dito na si Manay pero alis na din kami.
Gusto niya din sabihin, oh,
Oo, yeah. Umakakit din siya.
oh, careful. Oh, gusto niya talaga.
Yeah, kanina pa siya umakakit dyan.
I lifted it. 1, 2. Stay there. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Go, try.
Watch out, Didi! Watch out!
Hindi ko man siya bibitawan.
Yeah.
Hoy! Bakit sinano yung ulo? Hoy!
Can I destroy this?
What's that?
Say bye to Tito Jan. Alo, say bye to Tito Jan. Hug and kiss. Go.
Hoy!
Give him a big hug. Did you find it?
Ah,
How about you, D?
Yeah, they got up early to go to school. That's why I didn't see him either. They were gone when I got up.
Dad will go when I got up.
Yeah.
Dad will go when Mommy got up. But did you see China when you got up, Mom?
I did, yes.
What did you do with her?
Just talked.
Did you see Zach?
No, Zach left already. Look, guys, look on the side, Alo. Look on the side.
Look out the window. You see the lake? The big blue lake?
Is that amazing, Alo?
Mommy, did we left a long time ago?
15 minutes, 10 minutes. Yay! Happy? Ang lakas ng music dito. Ah! Dito kami sa Tailem Bend na stop. Yung parang motocross ata yun. Motorsport Park. So, nandito yung OTR, tapos merong Hungry Jacks, merong Walk in a Box. So, nag-order kami Hungry Jacks and may playground. So, naka-play ang mga bata. Ayan. Nag-order na kami, hinihintay na lang namin yung order namin. So, nandito yung playground, tapos nandito yung kainan. So, kailangan mo pang lumabas dun sa pinto. Pero kita naman sila, so it's good. Hey! Why? Oh, you can't go in there. You're not allowed. You have to eat your chicken and your chips. So I got spicy chicken burger.
No, Alan, that's it. That's it.
I'm getting too dirty. I'll just really serve first.
Bumili ako ng chicken tenders.
I'll take it.
Tapos merong spicy sauce. So gusto ko yung i-try mamaya.
You said you want chicken.
Gutom pa rin tayo. Daddy got a big bag, guys. Look at Daddy.
Oh my god.
Oh my
That
gosh,
was definitely
massive.
fit in his mouth. Daddy threw it in your mouth.
More.
Dad, he had that whole burger in that one bite. Mama! I thought he said no.
We're eating alo? Come on, Alo.
I am. I need my food. That's why I want to do.
Yes, you can play at the playground.
When I'm from Smart Kids, Mommy, when
You have to
I'm
eat chips and chicken.
Mama, I'm gonna eat hot chicken.
Good job, Ayla. Good dancing. Oy, 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 oy. Oh, wow. So these two are just dancing and Indy's like, I'm eating, guys. I'm gonna eat my food, that's right. Huh?
What do you want, Alex?
Watch out. You're going to school tomorrow. Careful, Ayla. Oh, you sing this to school?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tyler, can I have a little bit?
Get a bit of what?
That, at first, at first they died.
Finish your food first. Eat more. Oh my gosh, we're home. Anong oras na? Dire-diretso na tayo nito. 5:41. So maya-maya lang maliligo na kami. And then prepare ko, ilabas ko yung mga kailangan ng mga bata bukas kasi school na naman bukas. Unahin na muna natin ito na ito. As in, kakarating lang talaga namin. Ako din yung nag-drive from Tailimben pa uwi. Kasi may mga Monday kasi ngayon. So, may work si daddy. May mga ano lang, binalikang tawag. Ilagay ko dito. Lahat ng nakita kong dumi doon. Someone's happy. Ay, ito yung mga natanggap ni Ayla pala. Galing kina nanay. Ano itong mga to? Where's this from? Ayla? Are these your toys?
Yes.
Which ones are you keeping? Oh my gosh, your gibbet.
I'm keeping
All of them? Hindi. What do you want? Oh, so it was like a mini... Uy, ano ka, uy? Ano naman ka? Nilabas ko lang lahat ng toys para matapon na natin itong mga to. Okay? What do you want? Ito? Here. There's something inside that one. Dito din marami din basura dito. Hala. Okay, here. May baon naman sila bukas. Watch out, Didi. Yes? Yeah, starts with an R. Alright.
Oh, I have a snack, Mommy.
Not chocolate.
It does.
That's our chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Meron akong package. Actually, nagkasabay-sabay. Kapag talaga wala ka sa bahay, magkakasabay-sabay sila. Meron, ito okay lang kasi pina-request ko na paiwan na lang. Pero ito, yes style yan. Yan yung hindi talaga nila iniiwan. This is from Kerastas. Nag-order ako ng conditioner ko, guys. Nag-stock up ako kasi nag 20% off sale sila. yung may pa-freebie. So, 20% discount because of Black Friday. Tapos may freebie pa. Usually kapag sa Kerastas website kami mag-order, may mga freebie sila. Minsan automatic, minsan may code. So, check nyo lang yung kanilang homepage. So, I just got my usual conditioner, yung Kerastas Genesis conditioner. This is for thin, fine hair. So, bumili na ako ng 3. And, ito yung kanilang freebie. Ooh. Magic Night Serum. Overnight Beauty Sleep. High Nutrition Serum for dry hair. Let's see. And then this one is the Nutritive Bane Satin Rice. Rich. Rice. Ayan. Maganda sana ganitong size for travel. No. Yeah. Pero yung mga binibigay sa akin, hindi Genesis eh. Yung mga pa-freebie nila, hindi Genesis. Puro mga iba. Meron din ako nung Absolute. Kerastas Absolute na line nila. Hindi naman ito yung mga ginagamit ko. So, this is for very dry hair. Siguro maganda din sa akin kasi dry hair ako. But I don't know. Yeah. Ito okay na to pang travel. Ito dadalhin ko. Tapos, yeah, speaking of travel. Sa ano ba guys? Sa mga taga-Korea, taga-Japan, sobrang busy ba dyan mga Christmas time? Gusto namin pumunta. Siyempre not this year kasi for next year sana. Punta sana kami kasing Dubai. Yun na yung naplano namin. Dubai at saka isang country. Kaya lang, nakikita ko sa TikTok na sobrang busy daw sa Dubai. Tapos mainit din. Yes?
Do you want me to read this? Help. It's love. Love is help Arnold.
Cat. Good job. Yeah.
So it's like a story.
Yeah, tapos kausap din ni Dan kanina yung client niya. Nakakagaling lang ng Dubai. And yeah, sobrang busy daw. So iniisip ko, okay ba siya with kids?
I want to read this for you. I love your good mommy.
Yeah, kasi ibang option is Japan, Korea. Pero, sabi ni Dan, parang busy naman ata lahat. So, anong ganap dyan, guys? Sa mga taga-Korea. May mga taga-Korea ba? Taga-Japan? Anong ganap dyan? I don't know. Gusto ni Dan pumunta ng Dubai. Kasi ang tagal na niya gusto pumunta ng Dubai. Ang tagal na ng Dubai sa listahan namin. Hindi lang talaga namin siya hanapan ng enough time. Tapos parang ayaw din namin mag-spend ng sobrang haba doon. So kapag nag-Dubai man kami, around Christmas time, dapat may isang country. Tapos kaya naisip ko na sana Thailand, Dubai. Para magka-weather lang ba. So kung magko-Korea man kami or magja-Japan, Korea at Japan na. Para same weather. Hindi yung magkaiba yung weather. Para kung ano man yung ipapak, yun na. Wala nang, alam mo yun? Iba-ibang damit. So, ang daming kailangan i-consider. But, yeah, let me know. Para makastart na tayo mag-book. No? Kasi na-book na namin, matagal na yung aming April na holiday. Kasi, di ba, usually nag-holiday talaga kami ng April, Easter time. So, na-book na namin yun. Yeah, maibubook ako ng July. Kaya lang may hinihintay pa kami mga detalye before namin i-book. Pero alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta doon. So yun. Yung ano na lang, end of year next year. Yeah, so sa mga nakapunta na ng Korea, Japan, Dubai, what is it like? Especially sa may mga anak. Ay, I wanna know your thoughts. Kasi ang dami na natin. May 3 na tayo.
Mommy, make sure you don't forget to read it.
I won't forget.
It's a really short story.
Oh, yeah?
Do you want to see?
Yeah, let me see. Oh, wow, it is. Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? Oh, what's this?
I don't know.
Oh, no, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat?
No.
No, you don't know. Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could net? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. You know who sank the boat?
No, she doesn't.
You don't know? Who knows? Dada.
There was everyone. When the mouse got in the ship, there was everyone. I knew it. Yeah.
All right, let's go take a shower.
Mommy, my baby.
Book, are we reading? That one? All right.
A unicorn.
Unicorn.
This one.
All right.
I
I'm
saw-
fine with that, Alo. Sige. All right. 2 books because these are really short. You wanna sit here, Alo? Not on your bed? After the story, you go to your bed, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you listen to this book first. With this story. Is this a story?
Yeah, this with no pictures.
Just no pictures. Okay.
Mama, this is so fun.
That is fluffy. All right. I'll put that away first. And then we listen to this one. Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? What? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? You do? Who?
It was the mouse.
The mouse did it. Is this a broken story of something? It is. That's why. Now move on to the next book. That's not my unicorn.
That's
Its mane is too fluffy. Feel the mane.
that tickles me.
Does it?
Yeah.
Ready?
That's not my unicorn. His
Is
ears are very fluffy.
soft.
Yeah, you do that one.
Soft?
Yes. So
Yeah, cool. That's not
my unicorn. His feet is very bumpy.
Hooves are too bumpy, but you're right, it's bumpy. But these are called hooves.
That's not my unicorn. His tail is too fluffy.
Furry.
Oh,
Very close. Isla's very smart. Furry, feel it. Is it furry, Yala?
yeah.
So cool.
That's tickle me so damn.
It tickles you again?
That's scary. That's not my unicorn. Her wings are too sparkly.
Ooh.
That tickles me.
It tickles you again. It tickles you
Mom,
again.
what does that say?
It actually says the wings are too smooth. But you're right too. It's very sparkly. I'll take sparkly. I like sparkly.
That's not my unicorn. Her horn is too shiny.
Sparkly. That's why she didn't use sparkly here. Because it's here. It is sparkly, isn't it? I love it. Very good book choice, Arlo. The end. Good night. Alright, go to your bed. Bedtime. School tomorrow. Arlo, last day of school tomorrow for you, Arlo.
Oh, I will have more.
And then you will have Christmas party tomorrow in school.
What
Mommy,
will
can I-
You too, yes.
What will I wear?
The same clothes you wore during Santa photo.
How old was I?
Huh?
How old was I?
5. We did it last week.
No, I was
No.
2 years old. That's
Yeah, we did it when you were 2 as well.
Yes.
Alright, good night. Say good night to the guys.
Wear that little costume. Good night.
Good night.
Hey, get it.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Alright, here. Come on.
That's not my dog. Oh, I want to touch that fluffy. Bumpy. It's pushing hard.
Okay. Quick, Isla. That's not my puppy. This is the puppy version.
That's not a puppy. His like is too dirty. No. Corny.
Shiny.
That's not inside. That's not my puppy. His ears are too fluffy. His ears are too poopy.
Shaggy.
Shaggy. I want to read that then. That's the end.
Alright, come on, quick. I'll read it quick. That's the end.
Just read it.
That's okay. I'll read it quick. Come on. You can sit here, Isla, so you can feel it.
I just straight down the wire.
Aww. That's not my puppy. Its tail is too
Fluffy.
fluffy. Good job, guys. That's not my puppy. Its paws are too
Bumpy.
bumpy.
Oh, I said this torch is too bumpy.
Yeah, well done. That's not my puppy. Its color is too
Shiny.
shiny. That's not my puppy. Its ears are too
Fluffy.
shaggy. That's not my puppy. Its nose is so squishy. Beautiful. All right, that's it. That's the last one. Okay, good night, kids. Go to your bed, Isla. Hello, say good night to the guys.
Tonight.
See you tomorrow.
Good.